let's take a look at how to use cruch to help us with some calculations. For example, if I want to find the standard deviation for a sample set of data, that's probably not something I would do by hand. Could you do it by hand? Of course you could, and you could also use other tools such as Excel to help you. However, we have this nice in-house system that's right in my stats lab. It's called cruch. And we're going to push the cruch button to go ahead and open it up. Now this is what we call a Java applet, which means it does require Java to be installed on your computer. Most of you probably do have that installed and working. So we'll go ahead and get this open. After we click to open this, depending on your browser settings, you may be asked if it's okay to run this applet, this kind of pop-up window or program, little mini program. It's fine to say allow. I promise there should be no viruses or anything else associated with it. And what you're going to see is a program that might kind of remind you of Excel. There's rows and columns, and you can enter data, and you can do some different analysis work with it. So for example, if I'm working the MML or MSL, program, and I have to go ahead and find the standard deviation. I'm going to do some slightly different numbers than the one you have. I'm going to do the data set up at top. I'm just going to leave one number off on purpose. Don't do anything that you might have the same numbers. 6, 6, 9, 9, 9, 12, and I'll leave the last number off. But you can go ahead and type whatever data in you would like. Then if I would like to analyze it, I can hit the Stat button, and I want some summary statistics. Now my data is organized by columns, so I'm going to choose column. And a pop-up window will come up asking me to choose the column I want to use. That's just in case you used more than one column. So I'll go ahead and choose the column I would like, and you'll notice it appears over here on the right as the columns that are ready for analysis. I'll hit calculate, and a button is going to pop up. You'll see a lot of great information such as the mean and the variance, and oh look, there's the standard deviation, and now you have this calculated for you. You just want to be sure to round it to the appropriate number of decimal places that are asked for. That's a great way to do this, and it's much less prone to error because computers are much better at calculations than humans are when it comes to error, and it's much quicker.